Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to add layer. So if you want to add layer, you can tap layer, press enter, and as default to be show for the zero layer as the name. And if you want to add new layer, you can click this icon. Like I will set the name into example. You can change color. I will set the color into red color. Now to apply into object, you can create a simple object like a rectangle. And in it, you can select the objects and then go to properties tab, change layer into the example layer. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial, how to add layer. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.